Boom. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I'm Nick. This is 7 Minutes or Less, and today we are unboxing a 2013, yes, 2013 Apple Airport Extreme wireless router. So we're going to go over the pros, the cons, and what this is. So this actual unit is a router. It is not a modem. So what it is and what it isn't is it is a router, 802.11 AC. It does not have 5 gigahertz. So what is it used for? This actual router or unit itself is the most convenient way for any Mac user out there to back up their Macs daily. So this is a wireless router. It's not going to be, in 2020 standards, the fastest router on the planet. However, it is going to be the most convenient router that you can have in 2020 if you have a MacBook. Now, this is not for people that are looking to wirelessly back up their iPhones at home, but this is going to allow you to back up your actual MacBook. So any MacBook, any Mac user that's out there, they do have Windows software that you can download onto your Windows machine that would allow you to use this for Windows products. But this actual machine is the best way that Apple had back in the day for you to wirelessly time capsule your information from your MacBook, and it would back it up wirelessly every hour into this particular machine. So if you are a YouTuber, if you are a music producer, this machine itself is going to be perfect for that. For you, this is the Apple Extreme wireless time capsule. So if we pop this thing open, it comes back in that beautiful Mac boxing that they're known for. A little bit older on the back on the documentation that it comes with. Again, this isn't the most or latest or fastest up to date. This is going to be the most convenient way for you as a music producer, as a YouTuber that works exclusively with Mac products, to back all that up wirelessly over your router network. This is going to this particular unit is 3 terabytes. So if you have music, photos, or any type of video that you want to back up wirelessly, this has 3 terabytes. They are hard disk drives. They're not SSDs, so they're hard disk drives. So this does sit down nicely on your desk. We'll peel off the plastic on the bottom of the unit, and on the sides, it comes with a few ports as well as a USB Type A port on the side. And these can be picked up at some locations new still. So you could go to maybe a Best Buy or potentially even eBay to pick one of these up brand new. But Apple doesn't even sell these on their website anymore. They may have some refurbished ones that you can pick up on their actual website, where you can pick one of these up refurbished, but new, you'd have to go to like Best Buy or B&H. You'd have to find this online in some other resource. It's a great resource if you are a MacBook, Mac Pro user that wants to wirelessly back up their hard drives in here. It's going to time capsule everything into this particular unit. You can hack it, or you can change the software where you can use it as an external hard drive. I don't recommend it. It can crash the system, and because these are very hard to get a hold of nowadays, I wouldn't recommend that, but it would back up your Mac specifically into this. So if you back up your phone into your Mac, you can use it that way to back up all of your information in here. But this way, you don't have to spend the $9 or $15 or $20 a month for some type of wireless backup system. $20 a month over 12 months is $240 a year, whereas you can pick this up online for about $240, $300 right now. In the box itself, very easy. It just comes with the wireless or the wired charging cable, and then some safety documentation, and that's it. So let's dive right in, and I'll show you how to set it up real quick. All right, so we jump into our airport utility. And from airport utility, you make sure that you connect to the airport time capsule. Your system is going to identify it. You fill in your credentials with what you want to call the network. From there, you just simply fill it in, add a password, connect your Ethernet cable directly to the airport time capsule. You hit next, and you're on the internet. It's as easy as that. Bye.